Hi, today I'm gonna show you how we're doing homeschooling for 4th grade. So I organized Victor's work in Trello, and Trello is pretty neat to use. So I made these different lists for every day of the week. The first one is completed, so for example Monday he already completed all the stuff that was on Monday's list is already completed, and today's Tuesday, so he has a list of things he's gonna have to do, and as soon as he's done he can grab these little cards and drop it under Tuesday completed, just like that. So the first thing he's gonna work on is emotional intelligence, which he works on Be Positive book. So he has this book right here, an activity book for young people who want to feel more self-confident, and he goes in and he completes one page every day. After that he does math, which he's doing Beast Academy. If you click on those, it has a link right here, so he can just click on the link and it takes him right to the website. He clicks play and he does Beast Academy, and he does 2 lessons every day.
North Middle School has 738 students. South Middle School has double the number of students that North Middle School has. We have to figure out how many students these two schools have all together. So we need to take the number of students in North Middle School and add that to the number of students in South Middle School. So we need to figure out how many students are in each middle school. We have a plan. Let's get to work. North Middle School has 738 students. They tell us right there.
Next on the list is movement break. For movement break, we have a list of activities here to do, and they get this dice that they roll, and whatever letter it lands on, let's say O, they look on the list, bounce on the yoga ball, and they do that for about 5 to 10 minutes. After movement break, they do history quest. And for history quest is we're doing early times right now. A history quest is really nicely broken down. So we do history quest pretty much every day of the week, and it comes with some reading first. Second day is exploring. Third day is always some kind of craft. Day 4, he has some copy work to do usually, and enrichment, we usually watch some videos about what we're learning. After history quest comes music, which for music he usually just plays either piano or guitar or both. After that he does language arts, which he gets a choice to do either night Zookeeper or homeschooling with Minecraft. And if he chooses night Zookeeper, it's an online program that's very gamified, and he really likes that.
You're not bad when you play kayak. Hold on. What is that?
He has a hat on and a jetpack.
What is that?
Maya, what are you doing? Yeah.
Which adjective best describes Igloo City? Magical. Which adjective best describes the Igloo City igloos? Snow-capped.
Hot chocolate.
Select the adverb in the sentence below. Choose letters to complete the word. The void will get a new part each time you get a letter wrong. Can you complete the word before the void is whole? Press a letter to start. Correct +1.
When you're
Yay!
And of course, this fun schooling curriculum with Minecraft. Maybe I'll show you a little bit what that looks like. So, for example, choose your topics, list or draw things you would like to learn. And then he needs to go to the library, pick 8 or more books about those topics. And There's pick an animal you want to learn about today. Color your cube. Here's drawing an animal in Minecraft and in real world. Create your own crafting recipe. Brain games. Draw anything. Do some Lego building. Finish the picture. Then more reading time. Write or draw what you're learning about. Nature walk, draw something you see outside. There's a little bit of math. Spelling time, find a letter, find 10 words in the book with that letter in it. Animals of the world, what are you learning about? So that's one of the journals. He can also choose, we also sometimes do the writing with Minecraft. So in this journal, you have a little short prompt and then you write a story about it. Then you can draw a comic about that story. And there's some different prompts, different things. Another one that he also has is the pixel art. So that sometimes he does that one. And for pixel art, he just started working on that. And for pixel art, what is a pixel? And then he was supposed to draw something with pixel art and so on. There's some math in here also. So he can do that. After language arts, after he's done with Night Zookeeper, he does coding on some days and every other day. For example, on Tuesday he has coding, on Wednesday he has typing, and so on. So for coding, he can choose what he wants to do. He can do either Bitsbox, or he can code in Scratch. He can code in Minecraft, there's Hour of Code, or code.org. So those are the websites he can choose, and he really likes coding, so he just builds, most of the time he follows the tutorial or he just builds something on his own. For typing, he uses the program called Touch Type Read and Spell, or something like that. TTRS, yes, so Touch Type Read and Spell, I think. And he just does 3 lessons every time he does it. After coding, we do Polish. And for Polish, most of the time we're doing the Fun Schooling Journal again, which is called Learn Any Foreign Language. And in this journal, he also does 1 page a day. And just to show you what it looks like, for example, there's movie time. And he needs to watch a movie in a foreign language, which is Polish, and then write 10 words from that movie and translate them. He can also rate the movie. Here are other examples. 5 new phrases that he learned. Here we're learning about food, so he writes 10 words about food. There's some more words about food. Fun page. Draw something. More words to learn. Another movie time. This time it's a different movie. Here, make your own text message in that language. More 5 phrases. Here he's learning about transportation. Make your own comic book with the words that you learned so far. Fun page, which is also translating some compliments. And then draw it. And here's another text message, another movie time. So the pages kind of repeat, but they're about different subjects each time. So we either do that, sometimes we do Duolingo for Polish instead, or we just watch a Polish movie. After Polish, the last thing we do is special. And special is different every day of the week. So since this is Tuesday, we have gym. On Wednesday it's art. On Mondays it's science. And on Thursdays we have virtual field trip. And we do school only 4 days a week. And then Fridays are left for field trips. We also do nature study on Friday. And also if stuff doesn't get done on certain day, let's say we're busy and just didn't get everything finished, then the cards from each day that don't get finished get dragged to Friday, and then we just finish whatever we didn't get done on Friday. So this is about what our day looks like. And we only do school 4 days a week because they also go to Polish school on Saturdays, which also counts as school. So this is pretty much it, what we're doing for our 4th grade this year. And so far it's been working really good for us. My son really likes the schedule. He likes doing most of the work online. So he likes being able to move the schedule the way he needs to. And he likes Trello. He likes that he can drag the cards around. And he can do most of it independently. He doesn't really need my help. We do history quests together. And a lot of the, I help him with Polish, but a lot of the stuff he gets done pretty independently.